Hi, this is Sean from the channel Wolf Dog Moon, and today we're going to be teaching you how to play Tom Petty's classic Wildflowers. If you like this content, please smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, it doesn't cost you a dime, and ring the bell for notifications so you don't miss our next upload. And let us know in the comments what kind of songs that you want to learn, and let us know what you think, and if there's any songs that you want us to teach you, let us know in the comments, and we'll go ahead and figure those songs out if we don't know them, and we'll teach them to you. So let's get into this. First thing you're going to want to do is grab your capo, and you're going to be putting the capo on the 5th fret. And again, like I've said in other videos, everything I tell you as far as instructions is relative to the capo. Now the capo is on the 5th fret, the 6th fret is now the 1st fret. So let's get into this. So first chord you're going to be doing this is an F chord, but it's an F, standard F. So you're going to be pointing finger on the 1st fret of the B string, and then you're going to have your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the D string, or excuse me, you're going to have, correction, you're going to have your middle finger in the 2nd fret of the D string, and then you're going to have your ring finger in the 3rd fret of the D string. So G for this one, and then D for this one. And then you're going to have your pinky on the high E string. And the chord, and then you're going to play from this open string right here, out the A string, down. Like that. So that's your F chord. And then from there, you're just going to lift. You're going to leave your pinky down right here. But you're going to lift these 2 fingers up to middle finger, 2nd fret of the D string, and then the ring finger on the 3rd fret of the A string, and you're going to leave your pinky down. And now that's a C. And then you're going to lift these 2 fingers right here, and your middle finger is going to go on the 2nd fret of the A string, and your ring finger is going to go on the 3rd fret of the low E. And you're going to lift your pointer finger off, and now you have a G chord. Okay? Now, the other thing with this song is it has a lot of what's called hammer-ons, and that's when you pluck an open string like this, and then you go like that. So that's, you pluck an open string, and then you put your finger down on it kind of hard. So that's all, those are hammer-ons. Okay, so let me play the intro, because basically you're going to be doing those chords I told you, but you're going to incorporate hammer-ons. Now, if it's that's too challenging for you initially, that's more of like intermediate level playing, you can just do those chords that I showed you and just strum them like this. So it's sort of like down, up, so down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, and you would go there. But when you're incorporating the hammer-ons, you're gonna be positioning those chords, but then you're gonna hammer on the open string of each chord as follows. So let me start that from the beginning, because you're gonna also, for the 2nd time through, you're gonna be using your pointer finger to hammer on. So let me take it from the top. that. So let's take it from the top, and I'll sing some of the song for you. You belong among the wildflowers. You belong in a boat out at sea. Sail away, killing off the hours. You belong somewhere you feel free. Run away, find me a lover. Run away, let your heart be your guide. There's no other who will compare to you. So basically the progression is you're gonna start off the verse by doing the F chord, then you're gonna go to the C, then you're gonna go to a G, and then you're gonna go back to the C chord like this, and then for the next time through you're gonna go F, C, G, and then you can try to get that hammer on, and if you want to challenge yourself, get the hammer on. And then you're going to stay on that chord for the second time. So it goes. So that's how that progression goes. So you're going to rinse and repeat for the rest of the song. The only other change in the song is there's a little bridge in the song. So let me show you and take you through that section. You're going to do an A minor chord. You're going to be doing an A minor chord. So A minor is pointer finger on the first fret of the B string. And then you're going to put your middle finger on the second fret of the D string. And then right under that, you're going to squeeze your other finger down below that, underneath, on the G string, your ring finger, and that's an A minor. Sounds like that, okay? And then the other chord you're going to be playing is a F sharp D. So you're going to be playing a D chord like this, which is, you're going to be in the second fret. You're going to use your pointer finger on the G string. You're going to use your middle finger on the high E string, and then you're going to use your ring finger on the B string of the third fret. And then to make it an F sharp D, you're going to bring your thumb over the top and you're going to fret the low E string with your thumb, and it sounds like this. So that's the other chord. And then you're going to be starting off and then you're going to be going to, actually, I should show you, you're going to be starting off with the C chord. So C chord is like this. It's exactly like I showed you earlier, only you're not going to have your pinky down. So you're going to play the C chord, and you're going to do a walking bass line like this. So you're going to go from this string of the A, and then you're going to go to the second fret right here. It's like an E minor, and then you're going to go to the A minor as follows. And while you're picking in between, this is a little bit challenging, but once you get the hang of it, it's pretty simple. So you're going to pluck the bass line, and then you're going to pluck down pick, and you're going to do an upstroke to play the chord. So it's like, or you can do a downstroke if it's easier. That might be easier. You go like this. how the transition goes. Now the second time through, you end on a F chord, and I play the F like this. You bring your thumb over the top and you fret this first fret on the low E string with your thumb, and then you're gonna use your ring finger on the 3rd fret right here of the A string, and then you're gonna squeeze your pinky underneath that on the D string, and then you're gonna use your middle finger on the string below that on the 2nd fret, so that's the G string, and then you're gonna, in the 1st fret, you're gonna play the B string, and so it sounds like this. You could also play it like this by barring the 1st fret with your pointer finger like this. Okay, so let me run through that little bridge right there. So you're gonna go. You're going to go back to the verse. You belong among the wildflowers. You belong in a boat out at sea. Sail away, killing off the hours. You belong somewhere you feel free. So that's pretty much how you play Tom Petty's classic amazing song, Wildflowers. You know, you can just try it with the basic chords, and then later, once you get a little bit more advanced, you can throw in the Hammer-Ons. But it still sounds good if you just use the chords and just run through them in order. Like that. And it's a great song. You could be playing that around the campfire, and everyone knows that song, or should know it. It's an awesome song. It's super catchy, and everyone will be singing it along with you and having a great time. So I hope this video finds you having an amazing day, and I hope you have a blessed day. Signing out.